To conjugate ER verbs, you're going to follow a certain pattern for all ER verbs. All the endings are going to look the same. An example is aimer, to like. We'll take off this highlighted section ER and we'll put the highlighted section per subject pronoun in the ER's place. So we'll break down that ER verb and we'll say j'aime for the je form, tu aimes with an ES in the tu form, and il aime with an E ending in the il form. For the plural side, we'll take off that ER and we'll put ONS in its place for the nous, EZ in its place for the vous, and an ENT for the il pluriel. Now remember that this is the pattern you're going to take for all ER verbs. You're not going to keep saying aimer. You're going to have a new stem in its place. So for parler, if we wanted to break down parler for je, we're taking off the ER verb and your new stem is going to be PARLE, and you're going to add an E because you're using the je form. So you'd write je parle français. For the tu form, let's remember, we're taking off the ER and we have that JOU root. We're going to put an ES in its place, tu joues au football. For elle étudier, we're taking off the ER and we'll have an I ending here because we took off the ER and we'll have elle étudie, she studies. Nous dansons, nous and danser is going to become nous dansons. Vous and nager is going to be vous nagez with an EZ, and il, plural, and chanter is going to become il chante. Let's look at the negation. You're going to put ne and pas around your verb. Je ne parle pas français. Tu ne joues pas au football. We're going to surround our verb with ne and pas. Unless it begins with a vowel. Remember, you'll change the n to an apostrophe because the n is going to cede to that vowel, that very strong vowel sound. Elle n'étudie pas. If we say we don't dance, we'll say nous dansons pas. You not swim, vous nagez pas. And finally, il ne chante pas in the negative.